Hi friends, today we will see the set data structure methods like add, remove, and pop, and discard and update methods. We will see. First one is add method. It is going to add the our given element into the set data type. First one is syntax like set equals to some values like value 1, value 2, value 3. So we take set dot add of element or value 4 can take like this. We will see the example here. If you take the set equals to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. If you want to add element, set dot add of 60. After adding, print the set. If you want to execute this one, save the code and Python test.py. See here, 60 is added into the set. Next one, we will going to add the some elements into empty set. Empty set going to if you going to create means we have to use the set function, and we are going to add the dynamically data set function in element equals to input of enter first element or enter element. Next, after collecting the element, we are going to add into our set dot add of element. After that, you can take this and execute that program Python test.py. If you want to add the 100. See, can set is added into that 100 is added into the set. After that, again execute. I'm going to add I'm going to add one name called John. John is added into the set. Again, it is like it is going to resetting our set. Like if you want to write program, we will write like this also. But I'm going to add one element. Like after this, if you want to add like another like false false is added into the our set. If you want to add true is added into the set. If you want to add that 10 plus 20j, like it is added into the our set. If you want to add tuple, tuple is added into the our system, our our set, but it is in the form of string only. It is converting the tuple into string. If you want to add uh, list like a list, you can see. Actually, list is a mutable data structure, but it is not allows into the set. But it is converting that like input function is converting that our list into our given list into string. That's why it is added into the our set. If you want to add that here we want to give the eval. See, after giving the eval, see. If we give the list 30, C. Unhashable type list is not available to answer. After this, if you want to give the 30, C, it is added. The tuple is going to add it into the our set. After this, next function. After this pop pop method, it is going to delete the last element from the set data type. Syntax of pop method. Set, if you take the set like value 1 and value 2, value 3, so on. If you want to pop, set that pop off. No need to enter any value into the pop method. Set that pop. C. We take set is equals to some elements like 10, 20, 30, 40. If you take the set dot pop, print of set, our original set, save and execute the Python function. See, one element got popped, like removed from the our set. 10, 20, 30 got printed. After this, if you want to remove one more element, we are again set dot pop. Not here. After that, print one element printed. See, now two elements only there, 20 and 30. After one more pop, set dot pop of print set. See, now only one element. If you want to remove, set dot pop of one more time means it will remove from the pop. After this, if you want to print of set. See, empty set. Empty set is in the form of set function. If you want to remove that empty set also, it not allows. See, we got that empty set up to that, but we are going to got that key error called pop from an empty set. It not allows that remove, like it will not allow that pop function throws an error if that if we are going to remove that empty set. Like code function is remove element, remove method. It is going to remove the element from the is going to remove the element from the set data type using the element we have passed. Syntax of the remove method, sorry, not element, remove method. Set dot remove element. Set equals to some value 1 comma value 2 comma value 3 like so on. If you take example like if you want to use the set dot remove 30 element, print that set. If you want to execute this one, we got that for 40, 10, 20. I have forgot one more thing here. one more thing here like pop. After removing the using the pop method, after removing the element from the pop method, pop using sorry, after after using the pop method, pop will return one element. Like what element it is removed, it is going to return also. If you want to take that element, we are going to use the element first. Like this. If you want to print out element. See, insert there. 10, 20, 30, 40 is removed. Like it is printed that after that removing of the set, it is a what element we have removed, that element going to print here. Set dot remove of 20. We have already seen, but once again repeating the friends. Set dot remove of 30, print of set. CLS Python test.py 40, 10, 20. We got for this, we got. But if you want to remove that element what that is not present in the set, like 50 I'm going to remove, but it is not present in the set data type. If you try to execute this one, we will get like a key error called 50 is not present in the set. See, fourth method is discard method. This is the advanced method of the remove method. It is going to remove the element from the set data type using given element, but it is not raised. Now it is not going to raise any error, any error if element is not present. Element is not present. Syntax of discard element. Discard function. Set is equals to value 1 comma value 2 comma value 3 comma so on. If you're going to discard element from the set dot element C, discard. First we are going to remove one element present in the set. Later we are going to see with Python test at 40, 20, 30. 10 is removed. If we see the not present in the set, we are going to see save and execute this one. Python test.py 40, 10, 20, 30. We got this answer, but we did not got any error here. Error is we did not thrown any error or any did not thrown or did not raised any error because did not discard uh, function is ignored if the element is not present in the set. If we use the remove method is going to throw in an error, like raise an error. Fifth function. Fifth function is union function. Union function. Union method. It is going to it is going to add or it is going to add the elements from the two sets and gives the output. It is going to add the elements from the two sets gives the output. If you take syntax like set1 equals to value 1 comma value 2 comma value 3 swan set2 equals to value 4 comma value 5 comma value 6 swan. If you're going to add like union means we are combining these two sets and that it is giving the output like these two combined sets. We will see the output using the example set1 dot union of set2. See, we will see the example like set1 I am taking some elements like 100, 200, 300, 400. Again, set2 I am taking some common elements like 100 I am taking, but here I am taking 200 instead of 500 I am taking 600 I am taking 800 I am taking. If you use that union of set1 union set2 set1 dot union of set2, here it is going to return the directly output and the combined elements, but it is not going to return the like repeated elements. It is going to write only the ones. 100 it is going to return, 200 it is going to return, 300, 400, but 100 again it is going not going to return. Instead of 500, 600, 700, 700, 800 it is going to return. See the output. See, we got this 800 like in the form of the unordered. That's why it is order is changed. Set is unordered. That's why order is changed. See, 100 is not repeated once again. If you want to check the set1 and set1 and set2, no changes in the set1 and set2 functions. Like set1 and set2 data structures. See, once again, execute this one. See, set1 is not changed and set2 also not changed. Only it is returning the output. If you want the update one set1 or set2, we have to use the one more function called update method. Update update method. It is going to update left side set data type. It is going to update the left side data type using using elements we have passed. See the syntax. Syntax like set1 equals to some elements like 100, value 1, value 2, value 3, so on. Set2 equals to value 4, comma value 5, comma value 6, so on. Set1 dot update of set2. See the example. Sorry, not here. Here we are going to write the example. Here I'm taking the same only, same sets, but set1 dot update of set2. Set1 dot update of set2. If you want to see that set1 and set2, now we have observed, now we will observe the difference. See, execute the Python test.py. See, set1 is going to updated with that like combined elements, like it is combined and it is updated. Like what element present in this set2, it is updated in the set1. If you want set2 instead of set1, see, we are giving the set2 in the left side. This leftmost one is going to update this set. See, see, this set2 is updated with elements. These all elements got up, like see here. First, this all elements going to updated in this, like updated means it is combined in this set2. If the set2 have any duplicate elements, it is going to remove the duplicate elements and show the only unique elements. That is the concept of update. I'm staying with set1 only. I'm updating the set1 with set2. See, if you print this, we are getting that 800, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. Copy this one and paste it. One more method is like copy method. It is going to copy the elements from the, it is going to copy the elements from the one set to another set. But, but the references is not the same. References is not same. See, we will see the syntax. We are taking that set equals to, if you want to take the set equals to, then value 1, comma, value 2, comma, value 3, so on. If you're going to copy into the another set, I'm taking that set 2. First, this is the set 1. I'm going to copy this set 1 elements into set 2. Set 1 dot set 2. Set 1 dot copy. I'm going to copy these all elements into that new set 2. But these both references are not same. We will see how that references are not same here. If you take set 1 like 100, 200, 300, or I can take any elements also. If you take set2 is equals to set1 dot copy method. Copy method. See, if you going to print that set1 and set2, set2, if you going to take that ID also. Before going to see the ID, we have to see the values. See, I got the same output, but references are not same. See, ID of set1, print of ID of set2. See, now we can observe the more clearly that ID is C here. This set value ID is this one, like 6170528. This set value ID reference ID value is 6169632. These both are different sets and creating the different objects through that copy function, copy method. Here we have observed more clearly is using this copy method in the set data structure, it is going to create that new element, like sorry, new data structure. That new set data structure. It is going to creating the new data structure. But we have seen some in the list concept like set1 is equals to set2 is equals to set1, like this. It is a referencing that set2 is referencing to the set1. If you comment this one for for first we have to comment this one and see this one. If you set2 is referencing to the set1, print of set1 and print of set2. See, first we have to observe the output. Here also same output, but referencing to the, these both are referencing to the same object. ID of set1, print ID of set2. See, these both IDs are same. This both is referencing to the set. Both is referencing to the same set data structure through this referencing. But copy method makes create the new set data structure. Remove this much and uncomment this one. And once again see the output. See, copy method makes the new data structure and new object. New object it will create, and in that it will going to create make that 200, 300 and 400 and 300. That object ID is this one, like 96800. Example copy here. And last function. Today class last function is the clear method. It is going to remove move the all elements all elements are values from the set data type. It is going to remove all elements from the set data type. Syntax is set. If you take the set data structure like value 1, so sorry, value 1 comma value 2 comma value 3 comma value 4, so on. If you want to clear that all elements are all data types present in the set, we have to use the set.clear method. See, set1 dot clear. After clearing, we have to see the set1. See, it will give the empty set. See, empty set it is going to giving. All elements is removed from the set. Here we have seen that 8 methods. If you have any doubt, once again repeat these 8 methods and do the practice. That's all, friends. If you have any doubt and comment on the channel, please support me and like and subscribe my channel.